Y'all, I'm out here in nature today, going through the woods, exploring and everything, y'all. Look at all this stuff, y'all. Look. Oh, wow. This is wonderful. Out in nature, where I'm so hoarse. It's so beautiful out here in this wooded area. I'm in the woods, being one with nature. What? Y'all want to really see where I'm at? My daughter, she just talks so much. Wait, y'all, let me show y'all where I'm really at. I'm at the park. Oh my God. Yes, I was trying to pretend like I was in the actual woods. Oh, okay, y'all. Thanks for watching. Look at that.